Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is I Loppity Lop, and today I will be making a tutorial. I know I have not made a tutorial in a while. In fact, I have not made a tutorial at all in the second season, so I would like to get back to that and show you guys a quick tutorial on LMMS. Now, LMMS is short for Linux Music Media Studio, I believe. And it's really cool because you can make a whole bunch. It's like GarageBand if you guys are familiar with Macs or Apple products. If you guys have an Apple computer, this might not be the tutorial for you. But if you guys have a Windows or Linux computer, you guys might be interested in this tutorial. This tutorial is basically like a GarageBand alternative for Windows or Linux. You can make a bunch of bass loop, make your own music, produce stuff, and it is actually the program that I use to create my new outro for my YouTube channel. So I think you guys will really like it, and I will show you guys the basics of this. So I've already made another song, but I will start from scratch. So let me, well actually no, I'll show you guys how I created this. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this is the song editor. This is all this stuff right here. This is your, this, I'll get back to that. I'll explain that later. Down here, this is, all your instrument plugins, which is, you got your oscillator. You can make it sound like a Game Boy. So you can just drag that in here, and then you can add whatever you want here. Like, for example, let's say I wanted it to sound like this. So I press that, and then I press this, and then this, and then when I play it all together, see, now it will be right here. So when I play the song, see? Wait, 1 second. Alright, you guys, I am back. I had to do something, and I also had to reopen this because I fucked it all up. So, okay, so over here on the left, right here, this is, again, your instrument plugins, and then if you go down here, this is your projects. You got all your stuff that you saved. This is, all your stuff. This is all my stuff that I've already previously made. And then I've got my templates. There's nothing in the template. Shorties. These are already default. These are already given to you, provided to you by download. Like, for example, here's a, let me find a song. Here's a song that was already provided to me from default. So, I'll just discard that real quick. And then if I play it, so yeah, it's a real basic. It's really cool. Well, it's not basic, but once you really get the hang of this, it's really handy. It's a really nice program. So yeah, that's all your projects. Below your project is your samples. So this is basically like all the sounds that you could add that are already provided to you. So let's say I want to add a clap. Oh, because I like claps. Actually, not that bad. I'll look for a clap. So let me find. I like that clap. So I'm gonna put in clap. And now here's where it starts to get a little bit complicated. I'm gonna scroll down here. Wait, no. Hold on. If you want to add clap, you're gonna have to actually go over here to add beat baseline. And then once you press that, over here on the right, you'll have a whole list of stuff. So once you add beat baseline, it will look like this. The beat baseline editor. you want to drag clap over here, and then you make your beat. Let's say I like da 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 da. So let's try to do that. So da 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 da. Let's see if that sounds right. No, it doesn't sound right. Da 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 da. So let's rearrange it. Well, that's not basically the point. What you do is you can rearrange this and make it sound however you want. Make it you know, to your perfection, whatever you want it to sound like. And up here you can add more tiles. So let's say you run out of space, you can always add more. So da 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 da. Let's see if that works. Alright. Nope. So let's try it one more time. I'm going to try to add that right there. Let's see if that works. Ah, you know what? Close enough. So yeah, and then once you're done with that, you'll notice that you just click this right here. I'm just going to get rid of all this. So when you play your project, and you can do way more. You can add like drums, like a beat. So dan 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 dan. Let's see. You can just keep on, like, let's say I want like a beat kind of. So I would just, you know what? I'm actually gonna make that a little smaller. I'm gonna just keep doing this, and then play it. So yeah, that's real basic. Now if you want to get into some real complicated stuff, down here is your presets and all that. That is not really important in my opinion. Home, this is where, you know, your home, you can find all that's, you know, stuff you want to import inside your project if you want. And then that's just your computer. So if you want to get into some real, you know, complicated stuff. Oh, I edited that in the wrong place. You'd want to use one of these. So let's say I want to add one of these plugins. I want it to sound kind of like Mario or something, okay? Alright. So, you know what? I'll be right back. I'm actually going to find the piano song for the Tetris, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys. So I found the Tetris song. So let's say I want to drag this over here. Hold on. Alright, sweet. So if I want to make, you know, this sound, you double click this. You double click right here. Double click to open this pattern piano roll. Okay. Now this is where it gets a little confusing. This right here is your piano, okay? You can go all the way up. It's got a whole bunch of keys. So let's say I want to, you know, I showed you this earlier. Let's say you want to make a Tetris, the Tetris song. So what I would do is I would click, let's see here. I'll click 1 here. And then I'll put it together. Let's see if I can do this. You know what? I'll be right back again. Alright, you guys, so I am back, and I have found out the Tetris piano song. I've put it together. I've, you know, made it so that it sounds exactly like the Tetris. And, when I play it all together, this is how it sounds. So basically, this is what you do to get, that's how you get your rhythm. If you want to rearrange it, I would move it up here. It would sound higher. So it would start really high like this. Or if you really want, I could copy all of this and move it to a higher pitch. So yeah, and I can make this shorter. So it's basically really, wait, hold on. So it's basically like, this is basically like playing the piano. And now if you go over here back to your song editor, you will see this. And when you play your song, and then, like I said, go back to baseline editor, open up your editor, find out where that is. It's over here, and then make claps. Put this together, and then I play it again. And if I want to repeat it, I move this green slider over here, I right click, and then I move it right back here, so as soon as it hits that green mark right over there, it will repeat. So yeah, that's pretty much the basics of LMMS, and it's really cool. I suggest you guys get it. I believe it's free, from my knowledge, and if not, there's always assuming the demo version, or you could purchase it. I think the last time I checked, it was free, but yeah. So it's really cool, in my opinion. It's a good way to put together songs. If you get into songs and stuff like that, this is a really cool program for you. This was just the basics. There's a lot more that I don't even understand. So if you get into it, remember to check out, there's other tutorials, or if you want, I can go deeper into the tutorials of LMMS if you want. So, before I go, I would also like to save, I'm going to save this real quick, and then I will show you guys a song that I actually created, and then I'll let you guys go. So let me just see where I put it. No, don't do that. See here. Oh, it's down here. Alright, so this is one that I actually put together. And with all, the beats and, your piano and everything you get together, it should sound, like a song. So, with this, I put together, a bunch of cool beats. I got triple oscillator, which is another instrument plugin if you want to check that out. It's actually just, a regular piano. And I made this, so here it is. So yeah, that is LMMS, and it's once again, it's a really cool program. I made it to create my Energizer intro, which you guys will be hearing in a couple of seconds. Remember to subscribe, like, and there might actually be another tutorial that I will upload today. Oop, don't want that. Okay, well, this is iLappity-Lap, and I will be seeing you in the future, or if you want, in my next video. Same thing. See you guys.